Hi, welcome to Physics Teacher. In this video I'm going to go over a lab that I do with my grade 12 physics students called the Young's double-slit experiment. Young's double-slit experiment demonstrates wave interference. When two identical waves in phase passes through two slits, they meet and interfere at different locations on a screen. In the center, both waves travel the same distance and therefore meet up in phase and interfere constructively to produce a bright spot. Moving away from the center maxima, eventually one wave has to travel an additional half wavelength compared to the other wave and therefore meet up completely out of phase and interfere destructively, producing a dark spot, or node. Continuing the pattern, these waves will create successive bright and dark spots, creating the interference pattern. If you wish to see a sample calculation before starting the lab, you can click on the video linked above. If you would like a copy of the handout I give my students, it's available for free in the description. Now, let's start the lab. So what I'll be doing is I'll be using 3 different colored lasers, shining it through a double slit, where those double slits have a separation distance between them of 132 micrometers. Those sources will be a distance of 3.5 meters from our screen here. And then what you're going to do is you can measure the distance between successive nodal points, or it helps to actually measure a total distance and then count how many of those successive nodal point distances, delta x, there are, and then you can divide by that total number and the total measurement to get the most accurate value you can in this experiment for delta x. And then your job will be to use this equation for the double slit experiment to calculate the wavelength of each color laser. Also notice how changing the wavelength of the light affects the distance between successive nodal points. Once you've calculated the 3 different wavelengths, let me know what they are in the comments. Alright, so that's it for the lab. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss future lab and other tutorials. And if you have any requests for high school, senior math, chemistry, or physics, let me know in the comments or in the community tab.